Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saidul Mondal and I am going to show you today a Python program which can uh, give me the notification of latest Bitcoin price. You can also uh, use it for getting latest Bitcoin price. So let's see how can we get the latest price of this cryptocurrency. First let's check our Telegram. You can see here I last ran some time ago. Let's go our others like Gmail. Okay, this is my Gmail and this is my Twitter. Let's see last tweet. You can see no Bitcoin tweet here right now. After running our code we can get notification here also. So let's go our VS Code and let's run our code. I am not showing this code for today. Later I completely show you how to create a Python software to get Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency notification, inshallah. Let's run. Okay, see, enter your Bitcoin API key. So go to the Bitcoin, look at the site name procoinmarketcap.com. Here you have to create an account for getting your API key and getting the price. I copied my API key and enter here. Enter IFTT webhook URL event name. Let's go IFTTT. Okay, here you can see I have created my event name as Bitcoin price update. This is for my regular update of Bitcoin. Let's copy the URL and submit here. Okay, enter. Now this is for emergency. I have already made an event and named it Bitcoin for emergency, Bitcoin price emergency. Okay, let's copy it. Okay, copy and paste here. Let's wait, it is uploading, so wait. Let's see what happens. You can see here we have got the first Bitcoin price in Telegram. Now check our Gmail. Let's face it. Okay, it's loading, little bit slow, sorry. Okay, done. You can see here the notification. Let's see it. Dear, my name, your Bitcoin price is now 6,396 point something dollar. Better buy, quick or sell. This is emergency purpose. I save this and I also save in my Twitter for emergency purpose also. Let's place it and you can see here little slow, so you can see here ये previous ये latest है. Okay, so if you like this video, you can like my video and subscribe my channel. It's new.